Hi, this is Shushan from Measure Square. In this Android video, I'm going to cover how to insert a room by size and how to draw out a rectangular room. To draw out a rectangular room, I'll click on Tools and Rectangular Room. I'll drag it out with my finger to the dimensions I want and let it go. I can change the room name from here, or I can click Done. And click the check mark on the top left-hand corner. To insert a room by size, I'll go to Tools and Room by Size. I can change the width and length manually, or I can connect my laser. To connect the laser, I'll click on Distance Meter. Make sure your laser is turned on. It'll scan it for you, but click Scan again to make sure. Let's click on Disto now, and it'll connect. Now my laser is connected. I can click on Width and either change it manually, or I can shoot my laser. It'll adjust it on the spot. I just simply click OK. I can do the same thing for length. And I'll shoot my laser. And click OK. Once I'm done, I'll click Done on the top right-hand corner. And I now have my two rooms. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos, and happy measuring.